Lithium has staged a remarkable comeback. After a brutal downturn that forced mine closures and tested the industry's resilience, prices are rebounding and investors are asking one question. Has the next lithium cycle begun? Today we're joined by Vulcan Energy to find out. So Chris, Vulcan Energy has been ticking off milestones at Lionheart. What's been the company's biggest achievement over the past 12 months?
Yeah, it's an incredible 12 months for the company, for Vulcan, and I think clearly there's been one major milestone which has got us to a point which is almost 7 years, culmination of incredible work, and that was achieving a final investment decision on our Lionheart project, our flagship geothermal and lithium project. So we announced the positive FID in December, and at the same time we confirmed a raising of 2.2 billion euros, nearly 4 billion Australian dollars, to finance that project. So an incredible way to finish the year, but we haven't rested. We've moved quickly into the execution of Lionheart, which has also been very exciting to see over the last 2 quarters.
So what makes Lionheart such a significant project?
Lionheart, you can look at it from so many different angles. To somebody within Europe, it's something probably very different to being in Australia. They're desperate for trying to create a supply chain which really shows that they can be on their own. They need a hero, they need something to step up, and I think Lionheart is a big part of that. And I think you can see by the fact that we've had so much interest and so much investment from the German government. They've nearly invested 350 million euros. That's $500 million Australian dollars into one project. That puts us on a pedestal. But I think uniquely that shows that what we're building with Lionheart, the integrated supply chain, means a lot to Germany, means a lot to Europe. And it also shows that having all these partners that want to be involved in our future is a really important part. So Lionheart is clearly going to be and probably redefining how we produce lithium in Europe and globally.
So what are the next steps for Vulcan Energy following the initial receipt of strategic funding?
We've got a very clear plan. We've been planning Lionheart for nearly 4 years. Project Lionheart is an integrated upstream and downstream project. So we extract lithium and energy in the upstream, and we then produce a battery grade material in the downstream. So we've got the next 30 months already mapped out. It's a very clear plan, and basically we're using all the equity to start executing on the entire integrated supply chain. So we're drilling wells, we're installing pipelines, we're building a power plant, and we're building 2 lithium plants. So they're all running in parallel as we speak. We're about to release our quarterly in the coming week, and people will see that we've got off to a really fast start. So that's where the equity is going to at the moment.
Chris, thanks for your time.
Thank you.